Good morning, my dear students. I am recording this video from Canberra, which is the capital city of Australia. Today's topic, let us keep grammar. Now, we all know that to know any language in a better way, in a correct way, complete knowledge, good knowledge of grammar of that language is compulsory. Now, before we start understanding and trying to know little more about grammar, let us see that most of the time it so happens that we feel grammar is a very difficult subject. Grammar is a very difficult topic to understand and know. This is an incorrect statement. Grammar is very easy provided we know what is grammar. So let us try to understand as what is grammar. We can have various definitions of grammar, but for a layman's understanding, grammar would be a set of rules and regulations by which that particular language is governed. व्याकरण वही है जिससे उस भाषा के नियम वगैरह बनाए गए हैं ताकि वो भाषा अच्छी तरीके से बोली और समझी जा सके. Now, the first topic in grammar comes parts of speech. हमारे बोलने के, हमारे भाषा के कितने हिस्से हैं. If you have seen motorcycle somewhere, you would know that motorcycle has different parts. It has handle, it has wheels, it has seat, it has seat cover, it has petrol tank, it has petrol in the tank, it has stand, it has side stand, it has central stand, it has tire, it has tube, it has wheel, and so many things. Now imagine if one of that is not there or not working. Will you be still able to enjoy the ride of motorcycle? Probably, most probably no. Petrol is not there, it won't run. Wheel is not there, it won't run. Tire is not there, it won't run. Likewise, handle is not there, you can't run, and things like that. So, if you look at parts of speech, there are basically 8 parts of speech. Noun, definition would be, noun is the name of a person, place or thing. किसी स्थान, व्यक्ति या वस्तु के नाम को संज्ञा बोलते हैं. Pronoun is very easy. As the name goes, pronoun. Pronoun is a word which can replace a noun. अगर noun को हमें बार बार यूज नहीं करना है तो उसकी जगह हम pronoun यूज कर सकते हैं, जैसे he, she, they, it, who, whom वगैरह वगैरह. Now comes adjective. Adjective, very simple, is a word which qualifies a noun, which gives little more or less quality to our noun. Now comes verb. Verb is an action. Whatever in a sentence is getting done, that word denotes verb. अगर हिंदी में बोलें तो क्रिया उसको बोलते हैं जब कुछ काम हो रहा होता है, वो शब्द जो उस काम के बारे में बता रहा होता है वो उसको क्रिया बोलते हैं. जैसे आई सी अ बुक, आई गो टू मार्केट, like that go and see are verbs. Adverb, again very simple, add verb. The word which qualifies a verb, sometimes also adjective, is called adverb. So जब कुछ काम हो रहा होता है उसमें कुछ हमको घटाना बढ़ाना होता है, वो शब्द एडवर्ब होता है. जैसे आई एम गोइंग क्विकली, ही इज रीडिंग fast. So वो फास्ट क्विकली ऐसे वाले जो वर्ड हैं जो वर्ब को ये बताते हैं कि काम किस स्पीड से कम अच्छा बुरा हो रहा है, उसको एडवर्ब बोलते हैं. नेक्स्ट इज प्रीपोजिशन. वर्ड इज वेरी सिंपल, प्रीपोजिशन. सो एनीथिंग which denotes the position of anything is called preposition, like in, on, off, within, without, those words. Conjunction. Conjunction, दो चीज़ों को जोड़ने वाला वर्ड. Anything which conjunct, which add two words together, like and, or, either. No, book and table. So and is a preposition. Conjunction, preposition, and interjection. Interjection are only few words which show that, oh my God, this has happened this way. So words like oh, no, are, those kind of words which show exclamation are interjection words. Exclamation, we know that, no, exclaim, where we are excited, and no, see, all those things are exclamation words. So your parts of speech are over. Focus on these words. Next time we will take another topic, voice or narration. Thank you so much. Wishing you all the best, guys.